Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I have a list of tips and ideas for using pomegranates. So if you're new to using them, or maybe you're not so new to using them, but you're just looking for something different to do with them, hopefully this will help you out. Now, the list is long, so I broke it up into two parts, and this is part one. I'll have a link to part two below, and you check that out so you can get the whole list. Why not sprinkle pomegranate arils, those are the little seeds in there with the juice, on a green salad? Additional ingredients that would blend well would be toasted pecans, pear slices, orange segments, and maybe even some avocado slices if you want. Drizzle it with your favorite salad dressing. A vinaigrette would go really well, and then enjoy. Why not add pomegranate arils to your favorite oatmeal? Top your favorite yogurt with pomegranate arils. Why not try a parfait with yogurt, granola, pomegranate arils, and mixed berries? That would go really well together. Make a fruit salad with orange and grapefruit sections, pomegranate arils, sliced banana, diced apple, and some chopped mint. How about topping your favorite ice cream or frozen yogurt with pomegranate arils? Top your favorite roasted poultry with pomegranate arils. Try this one, it sounds really good and a little different. Stir pomegranate arils into cooked wild rice or a rice mixture. For added flavor and richness, add some chopped chives, parsley, and toasted chopped nuts of your choice. Make a pomegranate cranberry relish or a salad to serve during the holidays. So when you're using cranberries coming up, which is very soon for the holidays, throw some pomegranate arils in there and that'll add a really delicious touch of sweetness. I do hope this helps. Stay tuned for part two. Take care now. Bye for now.